Howdy guys, how you doing? Today's another painting outfit kind of day. I'm ready. I've just done one pour. I have an idea. I've always wanted to paint this. It's a Turkish Evil Eye or Asian Evil Eye. I don't even know where it really originates from, but I got this in Turkey and I've always had it. It used to hang on my door. It's just in here now. Doesn't seem to ward off any evil because it's still around. Maybe we should point it like that. But I'm going to try and do a painting based on this. So blue, white, turquoise, and I think I'm going purple for the very, very dark blue. Let's see how we go. My inspiration for this one, Turkish Evil Eye. So we're going to go purple, turquoise, white, blue, blue.
1, 2, 3 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고
I think that's enough white, don't you?
초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 진행형 같아 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여 이상하고 아름다운 느낌이 좋아 걱정되고 보고 싶은 이런 기분은 현재 진행형 사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어 어쩌다
do the blue and white in the centre.
비동사 플러스 ing LOV를 붙여보면 사랑인 것 같고 say goodbye를 붙여보면 헤어질 것 같아서 ing just ing
I'm going to try and add to this just a little bit, not so much, a small amount. There's any turquoise left, is there?
좋아한다고 보고 싶다고 그 말을 왜 못하니 후회할까봐 아파할까봐 망설이는 걸 너의 현재 진행형 사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어
Where's the third pour? I'm just feeling I need a little tiny dribble of white in there. Some purple in the middle just to finish it off.
비동사 플러스 ing LOV를 붙여보면 사랑인 것 같고 say goodbye를 붙여보면 헤어질 것 같아서 ing just ing 내 맘은 아직 ing
Well, there we go. It's now, well, it's probably over a week, maybe closer to 2, and it dried. And I think it's that way up, but it's possibly that way. The reason I think it's that way up is because it looks like Jack from Nightmare Before Christmas. I actually think that's probably one of my best. Probably partly because it uses so few colours. That's one of the problems I have, is so many colours and so many wonderful colours that I want to just go, oh yes, use this one and this one and this one and this one and this one. I end up using like 15 different colours and it ends up being a hyper mess. This are available to buy on Etsy, as previously mentioned and mentioned again, London Creative Art, and you can buy this and the others. But also you can buy these pretty little bags, and inside are magnets. Put them on your fridge, put them on your notebooks and your noteboards and things and wherever, anywhere. Lots of little ones, all made from the flow art paintings, but also these things, all in their own little bag again. Necklace. This is probably one of my favourites. And you can see it there. It's really cool. And it comes in its own little bag. There are different designs, different shapes, hearts, circles, squares, ovals and teardrops. And recently, a new addition, see, a pair of earrings. There we go. So yes, if you like these, then they are available to buy on Etsy. Follow the link on the Linktree link and find the Etsy shop, or just search London Creative Art, where you can find necklaces, earrings, magnets, paintings and merch. Not just the London Creative logo, the London Creative skyline, which appears at the top of my page and at the stars in the titles. Also my watercolour letter t-shirts and designs, and then each letter, gradually we're going to go up. There's so many of them, obviously there's 26 of them. And there are a few random t-shirts with Korean silly little phrases like I like you and you're an idiot, and random references and things I've learned because Tora's learning to speak Korean, and I've picked bits and pieces up, mostly Anya, Haseo and Ilpalbo. And go check it out. You might like it, might find something that'd be fun and enjoyable, might be a good present for somebody, a necklace, a pair of earrings, who knows, maybe a t-shirt. But go look and see what you see what you find. And in the meantime, that'll be me, and I'll get on to the next project, which involves polystyrene. You have to wait and find out what that one's going to be. But in the meantime, if you like this and you thought this was fun and entertaining, give it a thumbs up down below. Also leave me comments, tell me what you like, colours, suggestions, talk to me, tell me stuff, ask me questions. If you think that somebody would like to see the painting or the art or the shop, send it to them. It really does help. And if you're not already and you've watched to here, then you should really click the subscribe button and come back each week for something different. Sometimes it's flow art, sometimes it's other kind of craft projects like making diamond bead art, sometimes it's how to hold a camera and take photos, sometimes it's out and about in London, cycling around finding random sites and places to visit and things to see, all in London, being creative. That's what we do here. And until next time, I will see you then. Bye! I have a random selection of paints, and all bases are covered. The man upstairs is playing drum and bass, and so you'll every now and then just get dun, 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 dun. If you can hear that, that's what that is. It's been going on since 11 o'clock today. It's now 3:02. And downstairs he's on the phone shouting at somebody in somewhere else. He seems to think that because they're in another country you have to shout at them. At least the audience work's not going on. It's very bright out there.